Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I do this simple, cute and easy hairstyle, then keep watching.
What you tell when you are buying new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Please don't mind my hair, it's a hot mess. I washed it 2 days ago, and for this hairstyle I'll be using rubber bands. So I'll be adding oil to my rubber bands to avoid breakage. And now I'll be parting the front section of my hair for this hairstyle. So for this hairstyle, I'll be spraying water on my hair, and also I'll be using the Eco Style olive oil gel. For the front of my hair, I'll be doing like 5 small triangles, something will look like triangle. This is a very simple and easy hairstyle. The only difficult part a lot of people might have is the parting, that's all. And it just takes practice. It took a lot of practice for me. So as you can see, for each section, I use water, and then after I use the gel just to keep my hair smooth and to avoid flyaways. Don't mind me, I'm just vibing to some music. I wish y'all could hear the music, but you guys know how it is on YouTube. Yeah, unfortunately, but I really do enjoy making YouTube videos. Like, I'm doing my hair, recording, and I just feel so good. I'm just in a good state of mind. I just feel like nothing else matters but just making the videos and just being at peace, enjoying every moment of it. That's just me. I love what I do. Alright, so I'm all done with the front section. Hey, got it, hey. Anyways, I'm gonna be adding more water to my hair, and then I'm gonna be adding more Eco Style gel, olive oil gel to my hair for this high ponytail. What I use for my high ponytail is a regular hair tie, but what I do is I cut it open because it's easier for me to do my high puff that way. As you can see, I'm pulling both sides until it's formed in a puff, a ponytail, whatever you might call it, and then I'm gonna be tying a little knot just to keep it secure. Adding more gel to my hair before I put the scarf on, because when I take my scarf off, I want my hair to be laid and slayed like no other. Does that even make sense? But you get what I mean. Here I'm just making a little knot just to tuck my hair away. Yo, I actually thought this hairstyle was gonna be too tight, but surprisingly it wasn't. This hairstyle lasted me a week. I cannot do tight hairstyle. I cannot sleep with tight hairstyle. So yeah, it wasn't. Just don't pull the rubber bands too tight, and don't pull the high puff hair tie too tight. Now I'm putting on my scarves. Actually, I'm doing 2 scarves just to make sure front and back is laid and slayed. What I use to make my puff look bigger and more full is clip-ins. That's the trick. If you have a drawstring ponytail, that's actually easier to use, but what I have right now is clip-in, and that's what I'm gonna be using. Plus, I love this hair. It blends well, it feels soft, it feels good, it feels like natural hair, you know. Doesn't feel dry, feels like my hair. So that's what I'll be using to do my high puff. But listen, KK squad, you still gotta keep watching to see how I have my puff sitting nice and neat on the top of my head. So keep watching. Yo, goody, just stay under some good vibes. I listen to some good music, and guess what? Nobody can stop that. I just love the vibes there. I just love what we do. See the trick here? This is the trick. Take another hair tie, then you're gonna put all of that into one, and then you're gonna wrap that hair tie around the clip-ins, and that's how you get the perfect high puff for just sit down on the top of your head, nice and neat. Now I'm gonna be using the little gold clips, the little accessories, just to give this hairstyle more pop. If you want to make sure your clip-ins are secure, you can go ahead and use a couple bobby pins just to secure around it. Your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. Yo, all of Destiny and Boone always have me saying that quote because it's true. So this is the final look. Edges laid, hair slayed, mission complete, edges on fleek. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. Also, thank you guys so much for 1K subscribers. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.